Ready?
She's a fabulous lady.
Fabulous lady. The Lysol is the most important thing, okay? That was great. Look how cute we look though. My God. Where you? I will be. So guys, I have a what you call it, seminar to 10. It's supposed to be from 10 to 12 and I'm presenting at probably like after 11. It depends on the schedule and I'm really excited to do this. I'm gonna log in real quick right now and then get it started. I have a really packed afternoon, so I don't know how that's gonna work out, but you know, let's see how it goes. It's gonna be a packed day, like seriously, and we only have like a couple hours because curfew is at 4 o'clock.
February and went to Switzerland.
So guys, I ended up changing my wig because I'm going out right after the presentation, so I just wanted to have one thing and then go. So yeah, I like this one better. Hi guys, I just finished. I think I did a really good job. Like, oh god, it was can't talk to me again. Seriousness, sorry guys, in all seriousness, I enjoyed it. So I am going to get ready real quick because going out on the road, like I said, it's my two friends' birthday, so we're gonna drop by one real quick and then go hang out with the other before curfew at 4 o'clock. Andrew. Jesus. So guys, I'm ready. It's boring, basic, I know, but it don't matter because we ain't gonna impress nobody. Ready? How do I look, guys? Can go on. Can go on. Alright. Smells like it's gonna rain though. I'm really liking this little eyeshadow look. Like,
I wonder, I was wondering if you guys like cold pizza. I mean, like.
oh yeah.
Here. Wow.
Nope.
Candle of it.
Whose plate is that?
Yo!
How dare you?
Oh, sorry.
I can't manage. Hello!
You are the perfect weight to do
He
it.
charges 4,600.
No, you are the perfect weight to do it, right? You're like
Jesus Christ.
5260.
Advice from you would be like taking advice from her. She doesn't look like she ever had to lose weight in her life.
We're having this moment.
Yeah.
No pressure.
Okay, guys. Alright. Time I met Gabby.
I remember
Definition of gentle giant.
Yes.
Definition, like,
Say all of us. Say all of us.
She's a fabulous lady.
Oh.
fabulous lady.
She's a fabulous lady.
Oh God. Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah.
just do a delicate cut. Nobody chop up the
Yes.
I'm gonna do it from this side. Thank you. Yeah, this knife is.
Wow, that Easter bunny.
That's so pretty.
Let's go.
Yo, you're making it fun, dog.
It's like, oh, we're gonna come.
We're how people.
So wait, we're going by
What?
we're going by
Mute the video.
Yeah, we have. My sweet friend. This is a video.
I love you, Lexi.
We had. I love you too. Oh my God.
Miss you. 4 months I haven't seen her.
It's been great. It's been great. It's been great. Yes, yes. We're trying to get out the hair before, you know. Back to reality. Back to reality. Yes. Oh God. He's like, where's the Benz driver? The Lysol is the most important thing, okay? The Lysol is the most important.
I'm sorry, but not sorry.
Listen, I had a great time. Great time.
Gabby just like, well, I saw it going.
That was great. I am tired. I am very tired. Whew. Loud self. Yes.
Actually, see,
I had it, dude. This never
Hello.
left me.
Where's the fan? The fan died?
Yeah, duct tape works.
just like,
You weren't playing with the coal.
Yeah, they only had. That's why I said the bike just crashed with it.
He thought that the bike crashed.
Oh no!
Like the bike crashed.
Yeah, when
on
he
the
sent
side
the
of the
text.
road.
Oh, that's mine.
She didn't get it. He didn't get it.
Good.
I thought he.
They're enough for me to give my friend.
I mean, I have friends.
No grace out of that bitch.
Hi, my friend.
Exactly.
I miss you guys.
Somebody else fresh.
Like I miss you all the time.
When we're going up Hollywood side.
Oh, damn!
I get that.
Why is that so hard? Hi guys. Sure, no problem. Come give me my hug. Why are you in my picture? Get some.
And you say, you call me John? Yeah, everybody know that I'm a John Croton. You cannot love me.
Oh, you took it already?
No, it's a video. Look how cute we look, though. You look cute.
I mean,
What?
Oh, well,
We look cute. I'm joking. Hi, guys. Hi. Yes, exactly. I would look too. Oh, jeez. Finally home. Yay! Okay. Oh. Whew. It's been great.
so I'm gonna just take off the eyeshadow real quick because I'm going straight to my bed. I want to wind down. I'm gonna take a shower as well and just load up a movie. Netflix and chill solo. Whew. I start to wash off my face, but I'm so tired. Okay, yeah. God.